Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to set a long vibration for private chat notifications on Telegram, using the latest version of the app. This is perfect if you want stronger or more noticeable alerts, so you never miss an important message. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three horizontal lines in the top corner or your profile icon. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Inside Settings, find and tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to alerts, tones, and vibration settings. Now, tap on Private Chats. This is where you can adjust notification preferences specifically for one-on-one conversations. Scroll a bit until you see the Vibrate option, then tap on it. You'll see several vibration choices available. From the list, select Long. This setting makes your phone vibrate for a longer duration whenever you receive a private message, making it easier to notice even if your phone is in your pocket or on silent mode. Once you select Long, your change is saved automatically. There's no need to confirm or press any extra buttons. And that's it. From now on, your private chat notifications on Telegram will use a longer vibration pattern. If you found this helpful, consider checking your other notification settings as well, like groups or channels, so everything is set up exactly how you like it. Thanks for watching.